We're going to show you how to put together a powerful gaming rig for under 60,000 rupees. First things first, let's talk about the essential components you'll need. Let's start with AMD Ryzen 5600 processor with 6 cores, 12 threads at 12,000 rupees. And for the graphics card, we have NVIDIA RTX 3060 GB at 27,000 rupees, 2 of 8 GB Corsair RAM sticks which cost about 4,000 rupees. And for the motherboard, we have ASRock B550M at 7,000 rupees. For storage, we'll get 500 GB NMWE SSD from Crucial at 3,000 rupees and Cooler Master 550 watt power supply at 4,000 rupees, and the final component, Galaxy 8X PC case at 4,000 rupees. The total cost of this build will go around 60,000 rupees. Like this video if you like this build and subscribe the channel for more PC related content.